How to add chapters to your video. Now in order to add chapters to your YouTube video, just simply select your video and go to this edit section, or you can do this while uploading the video itself. Now tap to add description. Now in here you just simply have to manually enter your timestamps in order to divide your video into the chapters. For example, just simply write timestamps at first and change the row, and then just simply start the timestamp with 0 is to 00. This is the way to start, because if you start with even 0 is to 01, it won't work and it won't divide your video in chapters. Now name your chapter right here. 0 is to 00 is chapter 1. You can write intro or anything that you would like to add. Then change the row again, and into the timestamps you have to make 10 seconds difference between every chapter. Now if you do something like this, it's only 9-second difference between two chapters, then it doesn't work. I'm just putting 0 is to 20, so it's the 22nd where the second chapter begins. So I'm writing chapter 2. You can customize depending on your videos and chapters. Now the another thing here is you always need to put more than 3 chapters in order for these chapters to work. Otherwise your video will not be divided to chapters. Now this is how you can very easily add chapters to your video in YouTube. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.